got about 2 minutes left of trade. Let's start with the S&P 500 intraday chart. Nice to see that recovery through the afternoon. The leg down was on that headline about $200 billion of tariffs on China. Will they, won't they? The headline said maybe they will again. We got a sell-off, but we've rallied into the close, fractionally higher for the S&P. If you see all four indices, you can see all four as we approach the close are in the green, which is very pleasing to see. Sectors today, you'll see that we've got the likes of financials struggling and up 0.5%. Telco and utilities are struggling. If we switch to see the S&P for the week, you'll see a nice return, 1.1% or so, just above that. And we'll move on to see the sectors for the week as a whole. 10 out of 11 are positive, which is good. Financials at the bottom, which we'll discuss again in the next hour. Telcos up a healthy 3%. Bob Pisani joins me now with about a minute left to trade. Main takeaways.
Here's the important thing. We should have hit a historic high today. 29.14 was the old high. We were headed in that direction. We didn't do it for two reasons. Number one, the tariff story about the president maybe imposing new tariffs. The other reason is the banks have done nothing again today. When the 10-year yield moves towards 3%, banks should have gone up, and historically they do go up, but it's not been working. Look at these anemic response here today with these banks terribly beaten up. PNC is not far from a 52-week low, and without financials helping us move forward, it's very difficult for the markets.
It's not been a steepening curve this week either, and there's been some tepid guidance at the Barclays Financial Conference, which we're about to discuss.
21 basis points is spread between the 2 and the 10-year. That's the worst in 11 years, and you're right. The Barclays Conference, they talked about not great loan growth.
Nonetheless, the broader markets did get into positive territory in the final hour of trade or so. We're up 3 or 4 points on the Dow, so really flat for the day, but up a healthy % or so for the week.